Welcome to English Quizler. Ready to test your real English level? In today's mixed grammar quiz, every question gets harder. And trust me, number 27 will confuse even advanced learners. Keep track of your score, and let's see how far you can go. Don't forget to subscribe to us. Good luck. Choose the correct noun. The correct answer is surge. Surge is the noun that completes the sentence. Can you guess the correct pronoun? The right answer is me. This gift is for me. Choose the adjective. The correct choice is flawless. Flawless describes a perfect performance. What's the correct verb form? The answer is cycles. He cycles to work, habitual action. Choose the adverb. The correct word is politely. Politely describes how he answered. Nice start. Keep your scorecard ready. You're doing great. Guess the right answer. The right form is opens. The cafe opens at 7 every morning. Can you guess the correct phrase? The correct phrase is are working. They are working on the new module right now. Choose the right form. The correct answer is introduced. They introduced a new policy last month. Choose the best tense. The correct form is had finalized. By noon, the team had finalized the plan. Pick the right option. The correct option is will email. I will email the files before lunch. Halfway check. How many are right so far? Count and keep going. Pick the right preposition. The correct answer is on. She leaves on Monday mornings. Choose the right preposition. The right answer is in. Place the vase in the center of the table. Choose the correct direction word. The correct word is across. Walk across the bridge and turn left. Pick the correct phrasal verb. The correct choice is sign off. Can you sign off the document after you read it? Choose the right option. The correct answer is carry out. They need to carry out the proposal by Friday. Nice pace. Keep your streak alive. What is the meaning of this idiom? Keep your chin up means stay positive. Keep your spirits high. Can you guess the meaning of this idiom? Cut corners most nearly means save time by sacrificing quality. Don't do it if you want good results. Choose the correct quantifier. The right answer is several. There are several ideas we can test. Can you guess the correct quantifier? The correct option is some. We have some information to decide. Pick the right determiner. The right choice is every. Every employee must sign the form. You're doing great. Halfway done. Hydrate and focus. The next half is yours. Can you guess the correct article? The correct answer is an attorney. Choose the correct article. The right answer is he read the book you recommended. Choose the correct verb. The correct choice is a group of students is waiting outside. Guess the closest meaning. Pristine means untouched and clean, like brand new. Can you pick the closest meaning? Uplift most nearly means raise, to lift up or improve spirits. Amazing progress. Drop your tally in the comments later and challenge a friend. Choose the correct pronoun. The correct pronoun is whose, the designer whose sketches impressed us. Choose the correct form. The correct option is addressing. She avoided addressing the issue directly. Choose the correct modal. The right answer is should. You should consult a specialist for that rash. Choose the correct future result. The correct answer is we'll meet. If the forecast is correct, we will meet outside. Convert this to reported speech. The correct form is had been. She asked where I had been. Final third, stay focused, only 10 more to go. Finish strong. Choose the correct passive form. The correct phrase is was revised. The manual was revised yesterday. Choose the correct causative. The correct answer is had. She had the technician fix the machine. Choose the right noun. The correct collocation is agreement. They reached a quick agreement. Pick the correct comparative form. The right choice is more reliable. This solution is more reliable than the old one. Choose the correct form. The correct phrase is was preparing. While she was preparing, the meeting started. Nearly there. If you're on a streak, shout your score in the comments. Choose the correct future perfect form. The correct answer is will have completed. By next month, I will have completed this course. Choose the correct noun. The correct choice is sugar. How much sugar does the recipe need? Pick the correct tag. The correct tag is haven't you. You've met him before, haven't you? Can you guess the correct auxiliary? The right answer is have. Never have I seen such dedication. Choose the grammatically correct sentence. The correct sentence is the news is shocking. News is uncountable and takes a singular verb. Awesome job! How many did you get right? Let me know your score in the comments. I'd love to see how you did. If you found this quiz helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss more fun and useful English lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.